Mm. Hello, Mark. Mm, Wow. Okay. What is this? Is this our usual bed? Oh, as we came back. Came back home from here. Like what? Did anyone not know we were out? I don't know. Who's at the door? I have no idea. I should go check. Okay. So weird. It was no one. Hmm. Okay. Well, I'm guessing something was out of my mind. I guess. Swear I heard it. I didn't imagine it or anything. It shouldn't be anyone's. Hmm. Well, interesting. Where was it? Where was y'all both at? Wait, what? We were at London and Barcelona. Wait, how do you even afford that? Like, wait, what? How we had it to, like bring out our tickets. So yeah. Where were y'all at? We already told. They say they were at London and Barcelona. What? You didn't tell me you were all going? Wait, what? Y'all did not know that we're at Barcelona and London this whole time? Yeah, like I've been calling at y'all both. Why y'all didn't answer? Sorry, I didn't even answer. I thought y'all were kind of busy on the day, all this week. Literally, next time you're going somewhere, you tell me. Sorry. Sorry, Bendy. Didn't mean to do that to you, dude. Yeah, promising thing. I wouldn't just mind of not have anyone asking where y'all even going. So yeah. At least we at least like how weird, like nobody didn't know that we were at London and Barcelona this whole time. Well I guess I forgot to tell them. Honest mistake. Yeah, could be well known for its well, at least I want to have something for my tummy belly button. Yeah, my belly. Okay, guess on why has asked me that. I was getting myself a pie. Something interesting for him.